What's up guys, my name is Bilal and this is your 13th Laravel 5 tutorial, and in this tutorial we will be learning something called What the heck is going on? My name is Bilal and this is your 15th Laravel 5 tutorial. In this tutorial we will start working on models. We talked before we have a model view controller spec going on with Laravel, and up till now we worked with view and controller. So the V and C part we have already worked with, and now it's time for model to work with. So I will be making my model using command line or CMD because I'm on Windows, and if you are on Mac you can open your terminal. So I will open my command line and now make sure that you are in your project location. And once you are in your project location, just type PHP artisan, and instead of serve we will use a new command called make, and we will be using this make command a lot. Make allow us to automatically generate things like controller, model, and even views, migration, etc. So we will use make command to generate model. So just type here make colon and then just type model and then give it a name, and I will give it a name of data because this model will store some data. And now if I press the enter key, this will create a model for us. But what I actually want is to do another thing, and it's called migration. Well, migration is a way to create database tables for us. This is something which is very useful, and just for now know that migration is how we create and edit database tables. Now there are two ways to create database tables. One way is to go to your database and create tables there, and then come to your PHP code and then just simply connect with that database, and then we will start using tables that we already have. But now there are some smart framework, and Laravel is one of the smartest framework that has migration, and migration allow us to edit the database through the framework, and it's very useful when you share your code with your friend. All they need is to run that migration and get the exactly same database as you have. So we will write the name of the model, which is data, and then double dash migration, and that simply means to create a migration. And there is one more way to create a migration, it will just simply type dash m. This will also create migration. So use any way you want, either of them will work. And now just press enter. And I'm getting an error because it was double dash and not single dash. PHP artisan make model, then the name of the model, and then double dash migration, and now press enter. So a model has been created successfully, and then created that migration which has that timestamp, and it named that migration as create data table. So it has created a data table for storing data. So let's come to a text editor and let's see where that model has been created. So it's under app directory. So this is the model we have just created, and this user model is a built-in model. So let's open this data model we have just created. So you can see here that it created a class called data, which was the name of our model, and that class extend model. So this basically means that just by extending model we have got access to tons of really useful things. So this model, which the data class is extended, has everything to edit and create database tables. So we just need to use it. So we will learn everything about model in the next tutorial, but for now just know that see that even that class seems very empty, but it has tons of useful information simply by extending model. So in the next tutorial we will jump to migration we have just created, because we have to do something else before using it. So in the next tutorial we will start using migration. So up till then, I want to thank you guys so much for watching my course, so much for watching my tutorial, and I will see you guys next time.